it's a little dead meme.
Well,
oh my God, you're a fucking monster, son.
well, what about this? What about this? Limp Sniggins wrote, and he says, "Hey, all, does Inspector Gadget or RoboCop, if you're sad, deserve human rights? I've asked this to several people and gotten different answers each time. So far, it's like 70-30 split in favor of no."
What?
So 70% of people that this
what?
70% of people that this person talks to thinks that Mike what is his name? Broderick? What's his
Michael
fucking
Michael
It's not Michael, is it? Matthew Broderick
Matthew.
doesn't deserve rights.
You talking to fucking idiots.
Well, after he killed somebody, like maybe he doesn't.
Oh, yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
he didn't do it on
like,
purpose.
That wasn't Inspector
matter.
He did it
Gadget.
on purpose.
That was Inspector. He's like, GoGo Gadget killed this bitch. Like,
GoGo
it's
Gadget Car
straight up.
Crash. He died. GoGo Gadget Car Crash.
What does that mean? So does he become a car crash?
No, GoGo Gadget and a car comes
he's
out.
Just such
he
an
shoots
asshole.
a car out himself. He opens his chest up and a car comes out, but it's definitely gonna crash. Like he can't change what's gonna happen.
And hopefully it was playing the fucking theme.
Oh
in his
my
car.
God.
Can you imagine getting hit? Imagine getting hit in your car to a bass boosted Inspector Gadget theme.
Boom! That'd be fucking
Just
great,
the
dude.
aftermath. Just the cops arrive. The car is still there. Inspector Gadget ran away. The car is still there. The cops arrive, and it's just Inspector Gadget. And the cops have to be like, the cops have to sit there and pretend for a minute. It's like, I wonder who did this.
Fucking Broderick said it again.
Could it be?
Again? Oh my God.
In months.
How did we get here? How did we get here?
So I think we've determined that everybody's right. No, he does not deserve human rights.
I haven't laughed that hard in so long. I'm tired.